The handheld gaming community is currently booming as we're getting to see awesome handheld devices such as Valve's Steam Deck. Upon its reveal, Steam Deck has made quite a name for it given how capable the handheld is for portable gaming. However, Aya Neo Pro has also made some splashes and many are calling it the Steam Deck killer. In today's video, we will be comparing Valve's Steam Deck with the Aya Neo Pro to figure out which one is the best handheld. So, without further ado, let's get started. Starting with the Steam Deck, it's quite big and bulky compared to most handhelds that currently exist on the market. It's loaded with buttons that include two precision trackpads that make navigation and aiming a bit easier. Another cool thing about the Steam Deck is its 4 grippable buttons in the back that can be customized for seamlessly performing in-game actions. The 7-inch screen runs at 60Hz and 1280 by 800p resolution, which is just about right for detailed gaming without draining the battery. It weighs about 670 grams, so you might feel hand strain after gaming for long hours in this thing. Aya Neo Pro, on the other hand, has a retro vibe to it. It combines a dual-tone design with a classical stance that makes it visually appealing. Keep in mind that we are referring to the retro variant, and you will also find 2 additional variants titled Dark Star and Light Moon. The button layout is user-friendly, and you get a total of 3 USB-C ports for seamless connectivity. Similar to the Steam Deck, Aya Neo Pro also has a 7-inch screen with 1280 by 800p native resolution. However, it weighs about 650 grams, making it slightly lighter than the Steam Deck. Under the hood, Deck is packing an AMD Zen 2 APU with 4 cores and 8 threads. And as for the GPU, it has 8 RDNA 2 CUs. The entire APU operates at a minimum of 4 watt and a maximum of 15 watts. This is coupled with 16GB of LPDDR5 memory, making it quite a capable machine. Aya Neo Pro runs with the Ryzen 7 4800U chip with 8 cores and 16 threads. The Radeon graphics on this thing has a frequency of 1.75 GHz right out of the box. You also get 16GB of LPDDR4 memory running at 4266 MHz. Now onto the benchmarks. We will be referring to Realme Central's benchmarking of these two consoles on plenty of recent game titles. Starting off with Forza Horizon 5 on low preset, we can see Steam Deck hitting 60 FPS whereas Aya Neo Pro at 20 watts scored 50. Steam Deck takes another win in Devil May Cry 5 at medium settings with FXAA and TAA turned on. Aya Neo Pro scored an average of 60 while Steam Deck extracted 86 frames per second. Clearly, Steam Deck has a lot of value to offer for the price you pay. It even costs way less than the Aya Neo Pro, and the vertical integration is too good to pass away. The stronger aspect of Aya Neo Pro is a stronger CPU, but from a gaming perspective, Steam Deck takes the win given a stronger GPU. So, that was all about the Steam Deck versus Aya Neo Pro debate. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.